This right here is a genuine Mikuni, made in Japan. It's not made in Antarctica or Mars or somewhere. It's made in Japan. 28mm side draft. That's what I like. Made in Japan. That's what I'm paying for. Japanese have quality stuff. So I have a genuine Mikuni 28mm right here, and I have perhaps a genuine 33mm KEIHIN Sedco. Now, as I understand about Sedco, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, is that the KEIHIN carburetor is built by KEIHIN Carburetor Company. They make a lot of these carburetors for, there's millions of them. They're basically, these two carburetors are the same thing. They do the same thing, but they're a little bit different size for air velocity. Sedco is a company that sets the carburetors up. What they do, I don't know. How they set them up. All I know is I've had one before and it works really well. So if you do get a Sedco set up KEIHIN, here are things to look for to see if it's real. Now, one thing about these carburetors is a copier won't pay attention to small details. Okay? A KEIHIN, I have noticed on all of mine, has colored crayon marks where I believe that the inspectors from KEIHIN have done and looked at them or done something with them. You can see this is a black dot right there. It's right above this air fuel filter air metering idle thing. It also has a blue mark here and a black mark right up on here. Now there's marks all over this, and I'll just show you. The choke has a blue dot right here. The right up here where the boot goes, it's been marked in green. We turn it over, and I see there's a black mark right where the this is not an overflow, but it's a vent valve right there. All of the screws that are on that hold the float bowl, which is this part right here, are all marked with a black pin, which I believe means that it's been either put on and taken off and then marked. This on your back of your carb or on your other side, it has motorcycle race use only. And I think that's really cool. And it has also has a green mark here and a black mark up here. The colors can be different. It's not that important. But if you get a KEIHIN without a Sedco without any of these, that'd be something to really look at. The next thing you want to look for is KEIHINs have a little laser etched serial number, and what it means I don't know, but my other one has the same thing, and that is only on one side. So on one side you have the KEIHIN motorcycle race use only. They should, you know what, the KEIHIN should take these and put them in a bumper sticker because they're really cool. I really like those. And they have their colored pencil marks. See, they have a mark right up here for this, whatever that is. I don't know what that is. They have, like I said, there's an orange mark there. There is, if you look on the very back side of the carburetor, there's a mark right here. Okay. One of the first things you want to do is look. If someone sells you a KEIHIN carburetor, whether it is 28mm or Mikuni, or whether it's 33, and they sell it to you for $49, that's the first clue you should get that the damn thing ain't real. These carbs are anywhere from $200 to $300 depending on where you buy them and how much you want to get screwed. They're expensive, but quality costs and cheap is weak. The next thing that I would look at if you want to see if a carb is real is what I call fit and finish. Okay, fit and finish is how well the casting is done on the outside. Copies are not cast that well, and there's nothing wrong with copies. Not a thing. I have many Oko copies of KEIHINs, and they have worked just fine. But I did not pay $250 for them. Okay. Now, as we go through and see, this even got a black mark right there, which has been shown that it's up on the. That's where the adjusting is. You want to take that off. Oops. Stop the video here for just a moment.